Hi there, my name is Katrina. I'm the founder and CEO of 3 Ears Media, and at 3 Ears Media, we teach recruiters to become better writers and create better candidate experiences online. And that's why today I want to talk to you a little bit about chatbots. I think a lot of people are talking about chatbots, but not as many people are clear on how they can use chat beyond that one-to-one message. So I want to go through 3 ways that I think you can use chatbots to improve your digital candidate experience on your careers website. The first way is simply by using careers as a navigation system. Prompt messages to ask them what they're looking for, what kind of job they're looking for. You could get a lot of information about someone before they ever click apply, simply by asking a few questions and helping to guide them to the right information. The second piece is using chat as a place where people can get their questions answered. So instead of posting chat in a way where it's always available, it's more of a Q&A feature where they know there's a human on the other side and they can connect with them to get the most important questions answered to convince them to change their job. And the final way I'd love to see more people using chat is getting initial intake done. Reality, the chatbot's never going to take over our job. I don't want to see chatbots interviewing candidates. But what I do want to see them do is guide them through those first 3 steps. We don't need a 20-minute application process to figure out if someone's worth hiring, right? We need a little bit of information at the front to figure out if they're qualified, then we can figure out the rest. So you can use chat to bridge the gap and create shorter application experiences that are tied to your ATS. So if you're interested in learning more about chatbots, communicating better in your digital candidate experience, oh, the irony, and learning how to write recruiting content, you should go to 3earsmedia.com. That's what we do, and that's what we would love to help you do too.